In today's video, I'm going to teach you some basic methods for performing calculations using Google Sheets. Whether you're new to using spreadsheets or just need a refresher, this will be a handy guide to understanding how to add numbers in your worksheets efficiently. Let's get started with some straightforward techniques to sum up data in Google Sheets. First, let's talk about using the plus operator, which is a simple yet powerful way to add numbers. Begin by clicking on the cell where you would like your result to appear. Once you've selected that cell, you'll need to type the equal sign. This indicates to Google Sheets that you're starting a formula. After typing the equal sign, click on the first cell that contains a number you want to add. Let's say it's A1. Once clicked, type the plus sign, then click on another number cell like A2. Now press Enter. You'll see something like this, equals A1 plus A2. If you have more numbers to add, you can build onto this formula by including additional cells. For example, equals A1 plus A2 plus A3. This method is flexible and lets you add a series of non-adjacent cells easily. Next, let's try a more structured approach using the sum function, which is particularly useful when you have a range of numbers in consecutive cells. Click on the cell where you want the total to appear. Start by typing the equal sign followed by the word sum with an opening parenthesis. Now, you can either click and drag over the range of cells you want to include in your sum or type them manually. For instance, typing equals sum open parenthesis A1 colon A5 close parenthesis tells Sheets to add all the numbers from cells A1 to A5. Press Enter, and presto, the sum will be calculated and displayed in your selected cell. What's great about the sum function is that if you change any value within the referenced range, the total updates automatically. It's a real powerhouse for keeping dynamic totals. Sometimes, you might need a quick view of the sum of numbers without necessarily using a formula. This can be done by highlighting the cells whose values you want to add. As you do this, glance over to the bottom right corner of Google Sheets in the Explore area. You'll see a convenient display saying Sum with the total of the highlighted numbers. This nifty feature provides a fast way to view totals at a glance. Bear in mind, however, that this doesn't insert the result into a cell as a formula does. If you plan to use that sum in other calculations, you'll need to manually enter a formula to capture it. I hope this guide has made you more confident in adding numbers in Google Sheets. Keep practicing these methods, and you'll soon be handling data like a pro. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials.